Good afternoon, and welcome to another episode of Gardening is Free. And today's episode is going to be about cooking our sunflower head. So, this is a sunflower that we have prepared already. So, it's been de-leafed, all the seeds have been taken out. I've had some videos you could cook them with the seeds on because all it will do is just roast them anyway, so they'll be edible. And the back, obviously, we've just taken the main stem part out, and we're just going to cook that now. So we've got our pan prepared with a bit of oil. So if I just put my sunflower to the side and get our gas on. So we're just going to heat up this oil. We'll put it on a low heat once we get the oil heated up. I'm just going to wait a minute for that. And while we're waiting for the oil to heat up, so as you can see, this sunflower, it's quite a big head. Uh, I would wash it as well. Make sure you paper towel dry it as well because you don't want to make contact with the wet on the oil to cause a fire. So be careful when you do that too. I've never tried this before. I've seen many videos of people actually cooking sunflowers, and a lot of the videos they explain how the sunflower tastes like an artichoke. So we're gonna experiment today, and I have got my nephew with me today as well, so he will be trying this. And Django, are you excited to try this sunflower today?
Very excited.
Have you ever seen anybody eat a sunflower before?
Not a lot.
Not a
but
lot.
I've seen like 3 videos.
Okay, so you've seen videos on YouTube.
I've seen it.
And so the oil's now heated up. It was on a high heat just to get it started. We've now turned it down to like a medium heat. So we're gonna start off with the seed head, the seed part first. So let's just rest that on there. You can hear that sizzling like a steak. This is exciting, isn't it, Django?
This is very exciting.
I hope it tastes nice. So we're gonna leave it on this side for a few minutes, and then once that's cooked on one side, we'll turn it over. I am gonna cook this for about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna keep flipping it over just to make sure that it is cooked before we eat it. Because I don't want to be giving anybody a soul belly now, do I?
Nope.
Nope. So as this is just cooking now, you can hear it sizzling. So just like a steak, you're just gonna leave it on there. I have left some leaves on there actually, because I did try one of these leaves and they actually don't taste bitter. They almost taste like a lettuce or some kind of a cabbage. So I've left them on there. So you can hear that sizzling away. So because it's curled up, we will have to spread it out a bit and just help it, make sure it's getting cooked on all sides. So I'm just gonna get my hand and press it out. And I actually got a few of these heads. There's quite a lot. My sunflower is still shooting out more heads. I will make another video on my sunflowers actually because it's interesting that I thought once we saw them flower heads already come out, that would all be all the sunflowers. But when I looked at it the other day, we do have multiple heads still growing. So if this tastes nice, which I've heard it has, I'll be eating a lot more of them. I'm just gonna get my tongs, just turn it on for now. I mean, you could probably barbecue them as well, like on a grill. I think that would really taste nice on a grill. Guessing you could probably oven bake them as well. But the method I saw was this method here. So we're just gonna see how it goes. I would add also a bit of salt and pepper to give it a bit of taste. I will be doing that a bit later once I get both sides a bit more cooked there. So I'm looking for like that charred look. It does soften up as it cooks. Now, sunflowers itself hold a lot of benefits. It does support your heart health, potentially reducing any types 2 diabetes, aiding in reducing inflammation. Sunflower seeds are also a good source of vitamins and minerals and also contain healthy fats. So there's a lot of benefits in sunflowers itself, even diabetes. As you can see now, our sunflower head is ready and cooked on both sides. So we're just gonna now, I'm gonna actually put it face down that way, and that's ready to plate up. So join us in a minute and we'll show you, I'll give you a review on how it tastes. So we're now gonna try our sunflower head. We're gonna add a bit of salt, not too much. Just gonna cut into this. Oh, I'm excited. Are you, Django? I actually feel weird doing this. I'm only gonna take a little piece first and give that a go. Yeah. Uh, that's not what I expected. I did say I'll give you an honest review. It started off really, really nice and creamy, but when I actually bit into it, it went really, really bitter. So that was a complete fail. But it's a good experience. I've enjoyed trying it. I don't think I'll be trying it again. I will probably read more into it if I've done anything wrong in the process, or is it undercooked where it should have been cooked a little bit more. But at the moment, it's not edible.